Kindergarten at Lakeshore is such a special time for kids. It's a huge transition in their lives, and it's also the year where we get to see the most light bulb moments. The amount of growth that happens in kindergarten is incredible. Students come in needing a lot of support, but by the end of the year, they come out being little independent thinkers. We also make learning really engaging and fun. We take field trips that correlate with what we're learning about in school. We celebrate so many holidays and milestones, and we do a lot of hands-on activities that keeps them excited and engaged. Students come into kindergarten at all different levels, and our teachers really take pride here meeting each child where they're at in order to help them grow. Academically, I get to help a lot of students learn their letters and sounds, be writing their words and sentences, and even start reading their first books. We also explore science and social studies topics like plants, animals, weather, and the 5 senses, and so many more. At the same time, kindergarten is a huge year for social-emotional growth. Students are learning how to express their feelings more, build confidence, be a good friend and a problem solver, and also follow routines.
You have to fart.
The community here at Lakeshore is such a special thing to be a part of. We have so many amazing staff, and many of my colleagues and teachers have truly been amazing mentors for me and have helped shape me into the person that I am today. Our districts, PTCs, and our foundation also help so much to support our students, families, and even our staff. One of my favorite things is that former students still come up to my room to this day and ask, when do we get to come back to kindergarten? It really is the most magical year.